My name is Utile, and I'm going to entertain you for the next 3 minutes because I think we have some catching up to do, and if I can't say what I need to say in 3 minutes, I probably can't say it in 5. So there's a major problem that my company is solving. Now, my company is called Attention, and as you can see, I have figured out how to get attention, okay? So I ride around on this one wheel, and I'm just screaming for attention with my Snapchat spectacle glasses and my chrome shoes. So the first thing I want you to realize is that I am a friend of the industry. Okay, I'm here to bring attention to all of you. So the very first thing you want to think about is how can I bring attention to your project, your product, your service, and that's what I'm here to do today, is to serve you. So I'll be up in that room, and I'll be doing short interviews with anybody that has a story to tell. Now here's my story. There's a problem with communication right now. And the problem is that if I want to live stream to Instagram and YouTube and Twitter and Facebook and the other sites, I literally have to have 5 cell phones to do it. That's a problem. People can't afford to have 5 cell phones with 5 LTE cards. So what we've done at Attention Live is create one piece of software right there. And with the touch of one button, it takes my audio live on all the platforms. Pretty easy to understand. And so you can imagine that over the course of time, as people understand what Attention Live can do, they will start to use on any iOS or Android device, tablet or computer, they'll use Attention Live. With one button, they start a live stream, and they go live on all the platforms. And that eliminates the need of all of these different cell phones. Pretty simple. That's what we're doing. That's the problem that we're solving, is one place to go live. I like to call it live podcasting. Now to the NFT market. Why am I here, and what can we do to collaborate together? We're working to tokenize attention. So every time somebody does a live stream through Attention Live, it creates an NFT. And that NFT shows the ownership for the content. You see, when somebody broadcasts their voice, right now my voice is being broadcast through my 5 cell phones on all of my social media sites, and through this cell phone, through our Attention Live software, just audio. Well, who owns what I'm saying? The audio of what I'm saying, the transcription of what I'm saying. Is it YouTube's? Is it ours? And so we're working to solve that problem, not just for ownership, but for monetization. And so you imagine a future where when you live stream through Attention Live, in real time, a NFT is created and popped in a marketplace like OpenSea. Why does that matter? Because now you have an ability to lease, license, or sell that content to publishers. Now you imagine how significant this is for organizations and people that are major influencers, right? They create content, and now how do they take advantage and get an ROI on that content? Well, what they can do is they can now have a token, and they can lease, license, or sell that content to a publisher. And this is going to allow people to not just have control, proof of control, that really belongs to them, but the ability to monetize it, hopefully for many generations, like musicians monetize their art. Because when you speak, you're creating something. And so we want people to benefit from what they create. So in conclusion, my name is Utile. I'm the CEO of Attention Live. I wear ridiculous clothes to get attention because that's what I'm all about, is gain attention for my company and right now for this industry, and I'm here to help you. I'll be in that back room.
So the token actually, thank you, Ian. So the token carries with it the IP ownership of the podcast and the cash flow from the podcast and any audience data.
Yes, and so this is the important thing that Jody Rich and Cameron and NFT.cred are helping me with, as well as some others, is the ability to include the audience in it, in both tracking and also including them in the process of how can they also benefit from being a part of this. So, of course, we're looking for strategic partnerships. We're looking for collaboration. You want to talk about it? Come up there and let's have a conversation.
Brilliant. Thank you very much.